Okay, guys, this is episode 5 of teaching beginners how to fish. So as you can see, I have a lot longer rod. I have this bobber and hook, which I don't want it on it anymore. I have this heavy Shimano Sienna reel, and I want to take the bobber off and switch the lure. I'll show you how to do that today. So first, with this type of bobber, which is a pencil bobber, all you gotta do is lift the spring, or this one, since it's missing a spring, gotta untie it, or just bite it. And then, all you gotta do is scissors, or you could just bite it off. Okay, now we're going to put a new lure on. First, if you ran out of line, you're gonna wanna lift your bail to get more line out and put that back down so you can tie your new lure on. Tying new lures on is important in case you lose your fish or get it stuck on a rock and the lure comes off. Tying lures independently is one of the most important fishing skills that you can learn. So that's why I'll be teaching you today. First, I'm gonna have to get this out. Okay. Now, I might not have enough line still, so I'm gonna lift this up, get some more line out. Okay. Now we're just gonna pull this out. Okay, I have 17-pound fluorocarbon line from Bass Pro Shop. You don't need this heavy line, but I like to be safe because I catch a lot of big fish and you never know if they're gonna fight back really hard. Okay, what I'm doing right now is putting the line through the eyes of the rod. That's what they're called. And once I reach the top, I'll show you what to do. Okay, I reached to the top. And now that you have this, I'm gonna grab my bait of choice, which is going to be this swim bait with a rattle in it. This has 2 hooks and is great for pike, and it swims very well. So, because it's for heavier fish, I'm gonna go into my tackle box and grab a leader. This is a metal leader, but this is not the leader I want. Okay, this is a metal leader. This can be tied to put a lure on the clamp and just pinch it and get it on. Now, and this is metal, so it's very hard to untie. To break off. First, I'm gonna get the extra line off of there, and I will show you how to tie a Palmer knot. Palmer knot is one of the most strong knots you can use when fishing. The most simple is a fisherman's knot. The fisherman's knot is very easy to tie, but it also comes off very easy. As you can see, I got it on. So what you're gonna do now is go back to your rod, grab your line from earlier, and once you reach the end, you're not gonna wanna put it through the end of the leader, but you're gonna have like this, and you're gonna bend it like this, so that it's 2 lines. You're gonna wanna grab it to the end, so it has a tiny hole, and you're gonna wanna grab your leader and lure you wanna tie on, And this double line, you're gonna put through this hole and pull till you get nearly to the end. And then you're gonna wanna do like a shoe tie, but not the little loops. You're just gonna go like this and put this through that and pull nice and tight. And now with this big loop, you're gonna wanna put this over your leader and over the fish like this. And now that it's over, I'm gonna untangle this and pull this extra line tight. And there you go. That is a Palmer knot. Thanks for working with me. Bye.